In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide completed tasks in Microsoft Planner. If your planner board is starting to feel cluttered, hiding completed tasks is a simple way to make it cleaner and easier to focus on what still needs attention. This is especially useful when you want to review active work without deleting anything or changing the tasks themselves. You're not removing completed items permanently. You're just filtering them out of view so your board feels more organized. To begin, open Microsoft Planner and go to your plan board. Make sure you're on the board view of the specific plan where you want to hide completed tasks. This is the main area where your tasks are displayed in columns, often grouped by bucket, so you can see everything at a glance. Once you're on the board, look toward the top area of the screen and click Filter. This opens the filtering options for your current plan. Filters in Planner help you control which tasks are visible based on things like due date, priority, assignment, or status. In this case, we'll use the status filter to hide anything that has already been finished. After opening the filter panel, move your cursor over status. This section lets you control which task states are currently being shown on the board. You may see different status options listed here, including tasks that have not started, are in progress, are late, or are completed. Now find the completed option and uncheck it. As soon as you do that, completed tasks will disappear from the board view. This helps you narrow your focus to unfinished tasks only, which can make planning and reviewing work much more efficient. If you ever need to see those completed tasks again, you can simply go back into Filter, return to Status, and check Completed again. So this setting is flexible and easy to switch on or off depending on what you need at the moment. One helpful thing to keep in mind is that this only changes your view of the board. It does not delete tasks, affect other users' work, or change the actual task data. It's just a quick way to reduce visual noise and keep your workspace easier to manage. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can hide completed tasks in Microsoft Planner and keep your board focused on current priorities. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.